Many women have asked me to make a video on this topic, so without further ado, let's dive into a topic that's both timely and critical. Women should earn more. 5 tips for women to out-earn men. Remember to subscribe and activate the bell. Despite the progress we've made in gender equality, the gender pay gap remains a stubborn issue. Women, on average, still earn less than men for doing the same work. But it's not just about closing the gap, it's about surpassing it. In this video, we'll explore practical, actionable tips that can help women not only close the earnings gap but actually outpace their male counterparts. Whether you're just starting out in your career, looking to level up, or simply wanting to take control of your financial future, these strategies can make a significant impact. Let's get started. Tip number 1: negotiate your salary. The first and perhaps most crucial tip is to negotiate your salary. Studies have shown that women are less likely to negotiate their starting salaries compared to men. This can set the tone for your entire career, as raises and bonuses are often calculated based on your initial salary. When you're offered a job, don't accept the first offer. Do your research to understand the industry standards for your role and experience level. Websites like Glassdoor, PayScale, and LinkedIn Salary can provide valuable insights. Once you have this information, confidently ask for what you deserve. Remember, the worst they can say is no, but if you don't ask, you're leaving money on the table. Negotiation isn't just for new jobs. It's also crucial when you're already employed. If you've taken on more responsibilities, acquired new skills, or consistently exceeded expectations, it's time to ask for a raise. Prepare a case that highlights your achievements and contributions to the company. Practice your pitch and anticipate potential objections. Approach the conversation with confidence, and don't be afraid to advocate for yourself. Women often undervalue their worth, but by mastering the art of negotiation, you can ensure you're paid what you're truly worth. Tip number 2: invest in education and skill development. The second tip is to continuously invest in your education and skill development. The job market is constantly evolving, and the most successful professionals are those who stay ahead of the curve. Whether it's going back to school for a degree, taking online courses, or attending industry conferences, expanding your knowledge base will make you more competitive in the job market. Specializing in a high-demand field can also be a game changer. Fields like technology, finance, and healthcare are known for high salaries, and women are increasingly making their mark in these areas. Don't be afraid to pivot if you see a better opportunity. The more specialized your skills, the more valuable you become to employers, and the higher your earning potential. Additionally, soft skills like leadership, communication, and emotional intelligence are becoming increasingly valuable. These skills can differentiate you from others with similar technical abilities and position you for leadership roles, which often come with higher pay. Seek out mentors and professional networks that can support your growth. By continuously learning and adapting, you'll not only stay relevant but also create more opportunities for yourself to earn more. Tip number 3: build a strong personal brand. The third tip is to build a strong personal brand. In today's digital age, your personal brand can be as important as your resume. A well-crafted personal brand can open doors to new opportunities, higher salaries, and even side hustles that can boost your income. Start by identifying your unique strengths, values, and passions. What sets you apart from others in your field? Once you've identified these, craft a narrative that highlights your expertise and experience. Use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram to share your knowledge, insights, and accomplishments. Write articles, create videos, or start a blog to establish yourself as a thought leader in your industry. Networking is another key component of building your personal brand. Attend industry events, join professional organizations, and connect with influencers in your field. The more people who know about your skills and achievements, the more likely you'll be considered for high-paying opportunities. Remember, your personal brand is your reputation, and it's something you should actively manage and promote. Tip number 4: explore entrepreneurship and side hustles. The fourth tip is to explore entrepreneurship and side hustles. While a traditional 9-to-5 job can provide stability, it may not always offer the income potential you're looking for. Starting your own business or taking on a side hustle can be a powerful way to increase your earnings and build wealth. Women are increasingly turning to entrepreneurship as a way to break free from the limitations of the corporate world. Whether it's launching a consulting business, creating an online store, or developing a digital product, entrepreneurship allows you to take control of your financial future. It also offers the flexibility to set your own rates, work on projects you're passionate about, and scale your income as you grow your business. Side hustles are another great way to supplement your income. With the rise of the gig economy, there are countless opportunities to monetize your skills outside of your day job. Freelancing, tutoring, coaching, and content creation are just a few examples. The extra income from a side hustle can help you reach financial goals faster, such as paying off debt, investing, or saving for a big purchase. Entrepreneurship and side hustles require hard work and dedication, but they also offer the potential for unlimited earnings. By diversifying your income streams, you can create more financial security and opportunities for wealth. Tip number 5. Advocate for gender equality and support other women. The final tip is to advocate for gender equality and support other women. The fight for equal pay isn't just a personal battle, it's a collective one. By advocating for gender equality in the workplace, you're not only helping yourself but also paving the way for future generations of women. Get involved in organizations that promote gender equality, such as Lean In, the National Organization for Women, or your local women's network. Participate in discussions about pay equity and push for transparency in salary structures within your company. The more we talk about the issue, the more likely we are to see change. Supporting other women is equally important. Mentor younger women, share opportunities, and celebrate each other's successes. When women support women, we create a powerful network that can help us all succeed. Together, we can challenge the status quo and create a world where women are paid what they're worth, and more. In conclusion, while the gender pay gap is a complex issue, there are concrete steps women can take to out-earn men. By negotiating your salary, investing in education, building a strong personal brand, exploring entrepreneurship, and advocating for gender equality, you can take control of your financial future. Remember, it's not just about closing the gap, it's about surpassing it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. I would love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Keep pushing boundaries and breaking barriers. Remember, every step forward is a step toward greater success and equality. If you have any questions or thoughts, please don't hesitate to share them in the comment section. Let's continue the conversation in the comments. What strategies have you used to increase your earnings? I'm here to help, and I'd love to hear from you. Your feedback and inquiries are always welcome, so let's keep the conversation going.